Hi friends, welcome to all. I am Maruti P. Gowda, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Srimati Indira Gandhi Government Postgraduate Women's College, Sagar. Friends, today I am going to present my PPT on Introduction to Time of Partition and Partition Stories. Friends, this topic is prescribed for BA first year optional students under Coimbatore University, Shimoga. This is my third session. As per as concerned to the BA first year optional students under Coimbatore University, Shimoga, this is the 33rd session. Recap of previous class. Friends, in our last class, we have studied the life and literary career of Anton Chekhov and his contributions to English literature, characterization of the short story The Death of a Government Clerk, uh, theme of the short story, and analysis of the short story. Lesson review. Friends, this topic is to make students to realize the impact of partition, political upheavals on society and on its citizens. Objectives of the chapter. Friends, in this chapter we have to study the following topics. What is partition? Partition events, reason for partition, partition stories, impact of partition. Okay, friends, so let us study all these topics in detail. First, in this slide, what we are studying about what is the partition. Okay, what is partition? The partition of India is the separation of India on August 14, 1947 and August 15, 1947 into the states of the Dominion of Pakistan and the Union of India respectively. India was separated on the day of gaining independence from British due to the tensions between the Hindus and the Muslims living in the country. India gained independence after 350 years of British rule. Next slide is on partition events. Let us know about the partition events one by one. First one, in 1600, British East India Company is established in India. In 1858, British government takes direct command of India from the East India Company. In 1885, Indian National Congress is formed. In 1906, a Muslim League is formed. In 1930, first proposed idea of partition by philosopher Allama Iqbal. In 1943, Muslim League proposes divide and quit plan. On 18 July 1947, Mountbatten partition plan is finalized. In August 14 and 15, 1947, independence is gained from British. Pakistan is formed immediate next day. In this slide, we are knowing about the major events during the partition. First one is Mountbatten Plan, Radcliffe Line, resettlement of refugees in India between 1947 to 1957, resettlement of refugees in Pakistan between 1947 to 1957, rehabilitation of women, independence, population transfer, and violence occurred in both the countries during that time. Loss of sovereignty by Muslim rulers. British policy divide and rule. British policy was divide and rule. Last one is rise of radical nationalism. These are all the major events to the partition. In this slide is on reason for partition of India. Friends, this is important aspect. So the main reason is India contains large percentage of Hindus. If India gets independence, the ruling government is obviously decided by the majority of Hindus. To live under the rule of Hindus, Muslims thought they may get injustice and may not be treated well. So they thought of forming a new country, that is Pakistan. So this slide is on partition stories. The partition has many stories. The partition is a single event which has many stories. Let us know one by one. A massive population exchange massive population exchanges occurred between the two newly formed countries during the partition. Muslims went to Pakistan from India, while Hindus and Sikhs moved to India from Pakistan. The newly formed governments were completely unequipped to deal with migrations of such staggering magnitude, and massive violence and slaughter occurred on both sides of the border. Violence against women. Women were kidnapped, raped, molested, brought and forced into marriage, and forced change in identity, etc. Partition stories. Uh, Short stories on partition. So, friends, in this country, many writers wrote many short stories, novels on the topic of partition, on the theme of partition. Let us know a few of them as far as concerned with the short stories. Uh, Toba takes in Kali Salwar, The Dog of Tetwal, Boo, Koldo, Khuda Ki Kasam, Tanda Ghost, etc. Impact of partition. Let us know about the impact of partition. The partition of India left both India and Pakistan devastated, riots erupted, and looting broke out widespread. Women were raped and battered by both the Hindus and Muslims. Trains full of battered women and children would arrive between the borders of India and Pakistan daily. Over 15 million refugees were forced into regions completely new to them. Impact of partition continues. The provinces of Bengal and Punjab were divided, causing outrage in many Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs alike. The two countries are still arguing over the landlocked region of Jammu and Kashmir. The partition not only broke the unity of India but also took away the sense of belonging to many people who were torn apart from their native regions. Friends, in this slide, we are knowing about the learning outcome. This topic is to enable students to learn and express their creative talents through reading various short stories on partition. Okay, friends, at the end of this session, we have multiple choice questions. So let us know one by one. Question number one. When did partition occur between India and Pakistan? Friends, there are four options. You have to select one of the right answer among these four options. Option A, 1847. Option B, 1947. Option C, 1857. And option D, 1957. Friends, the right answer is B. Uh, the partition occurred between India and Pakistan in 1947. Friends, let us come to the question number two. Who did first propose the idea of partition in India in 1930? Here also there are four options. Option A, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Option B, Allama Iqbal. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. And option D, Mountbatten. Friends, the right answer is B. Allama Iqbal is the right answer. Friends, let us come to the question number 3. Divide and rule was the dash. Here also four options. Option A, Indian policy. Option B, Pakistan policy. Option C, British policy. And option D, none of the above. Friends, C is the right answer. So, divide and rule was the British policy. Friends, let us come to the question number 4. Resettlement of refugees in India and Pakistan held between dash. Here also there are four options. Option A, 1947 to 1957. Option B, 1957 to 1967. Option C 1948 to 1958 and option D 1958 to 1968. Friends, the right answer is A. Okay, resettlement of refugees in India and Pakistan held between 1947 to 1957. Okay, friends, let us come to the last question, that is question number 5. The newly formed governments were completely dashed to deal with migration. So you have to fill the blanks with suitable answer. Okay, so here also there are four options. Option A, unequipped. Option B, well equipped. Option C, succeeded. And option D, failed. The right answer is A, unequipped. The newly formed governments were completely unequipped to deal with migrations. Okay, friends, if you want more information regarding the partition, better to follow these references. Friends, I am going to end this session. Let us meet again in our next session. Thank you, one and all.